welcome back to this video in the Facebook Ads Masterclass. In the last video, we went through all the different campaign objectives, and in this video, we're going to talk about the difference between campaign budget and ad set budget optimizations. Originally, I wanted to create the ad, but I think it's vital to understand the way your budget will be spent before we set anything up. In the campaign budget optimization, you're allowing Facebook to take your daily ad spend and allocate it to the best performing ad sets. In cases where you've greatly optimized your creatives, this can create a huge influx of revenue without an increase in budget for your advertising campaigns. An example of this is having 3 ad sets, A, B, and C. In the old ad set budget optimization, you would allocate $10 to all 3 ad sets to fulfill $30 of daily budget. In the new campaign budget optimization, Facebook will ask you to take that $30 and allow it to allocate the budget to the 3 separate ad sets at its discretion based on performance. In this example, the cost per result of the ad sets are as follows. Ad set A, $2.50 per sale. Ad set B, $7 per sale. Ad set C, $4.25 per sale. Assuming you have ad set budget on, you can expect that you will receive the following results. Ad set A, 4 sales. Ad set B, 1 sale. Ad set C, 2 sales. With campaign budget optimization, you will see something a little different. In the learning phase, you will notice ad spend among the different ad sets in what seems like a random manner. What you will notice, there will be a clear favorite for the algorithm. That's based off of KPIs, assuming those will lead to a lower cost per result. Let's assume for a second that we're in the learning phase with our original cost per result numbers. You would expect Facebook to spend your budget accordingly. Ad set A, $20.75, giving you 8 results. Ad set B, $4.25, getting 0 results. Ad set C, $5, 1 result. So why did Facebook spend $4.25 on ad set B and $5 on ad set C? So in the way that the budget is allocated, you would spend the budget equally among the 3 ad sets A, B, and C, such that you get a result with ad set A with the $2.50 you'd expect to pay per result, but it will continue running your budget to all 3 ad sets in order to verify the results that it's seeing. Variance is a real issue here. It's possible that you can get a sale within the first $2.50 of your ad set launching and then not get another one ever. So once ad set C makes a sale, we have on good authority that we will get a sale within $4.25 since we've done it twice. So we stop spend on ad set B as we have 2 results from ad set A and ad set C, 1 each. It then waits for the next purchase, which would happen when ad sets A and C both reach $5. Ad set A generates another sale, effectively saying ad set A is the best of the 3 ad sets and therefore should receive a bulk of the budget. This is not what's happening inside of campaign budget optimization. Why? We don't actually know the cost per result when we're in the learning phase of an ad set. With absolutely 0 knowledge, we gauge performance algorithmically against other KPIs that lead to sales. So in the case of e-commerce, that's link clicks. Facebook will begin putting the most weight on the cost per link click before any other KPI. Let's take the same example, but don't give Facebook the cost per result and instead give it the cost per link click. For ad set A, $1.25 per link click. Ad set B, 12 cents per link click. And ad set C, 75 cents per link click. Remember, Facebook's algorithm is not artificial intelligence, at least not yet. It would put the ad sets through a similar algorithm and weigh the results. Facebook does have to spend at least $1 per ad set inside of every CBO. So let's assume we know our cost per result in the above example, and it has not changed from the $2.50, the $7, and the $4.50 for ad sets A, B, and C respectively. Here's what we'll know within the first dollar of ad spend per ad set with only giving link clicks as our input. Ad set A will have 0 link clicks after $1 in ad spend. Ad set B will have 8 link clicks inside of that $1 of ad spend, and ad set C will have 1 link click. This means Facebook will now make a decision and view ad set B as the most likely to get a sale based off of how inexpensive it is to get you link clicks. Since link clicks at the cheapest KPI is 12 cents at an ad set level, we have to go off that information because we don't have a sale yet. Facebook will start adjusting the budget so that by percentage, we'll put about 89% of our budget into ad set B and 11% into ad set C based off performance. With this, that leaves $27 worth of ad spend to go to improperly optimized ad sets. So with that information, we find the following to be true. By the time ad set B has spent $14 to get 2 sales, ad set C has only spent $2.43, which means we have the following results. Ad set A, $1 spent, 0 clicks, 0 sales. Ad set B, $14 spent, 117 link clicks, 2 sales. Ad set C, $2.43 spent, 3 link clicks, 0 sales. Now we have some money left over, so Facebook is going to say, okay, it takes about 58 link clicks to get a sale, and your most effective way to get there is through ad set B. See the problem? While this isn't exactly how the process is going, it is the best representation they can give without giving away any of their proprietary algorithms. A few things to note before criticizing CPO. It is going to be rare that you get such a disproportionate CPC or cost per click compared to your cost per result. In most cases, you can expect a fairly average CPC and an average cost per result, with most ad sets not deviating from the average very often. The example I showed you would likely not happen with ad set A being so expensive to get a link click, but so profitable per link click. It was used for demonstration purposes only. While Facebook continues to give new deadlines on when we will switch to CBO and no longer be allowed to use ad set budget, I want to help everyone recognize the issue they're trying to overcome. Understanding this problem will help frame the issue in a different light and possibly help give better insight into how you can maneuver through the learning phase. That's all for this video. If it helped you understand the difference between CBO and ad set budget optimization, do give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more daily content on advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I promise you in the next video we will create the ad, and I look forward to it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.